So I honestly didn't plan to make this video because I see a lot of Roblox reward sites that don't really work. But I tested this one myself, and what happened actually surprised me. In this video, I'll show you exactly how this site works, how people earn points, and how withdrawals are done safely, step by step, so make sure you don't skip.
Yes, sir.
So here we are on our BLX space. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. To get started, you simply log in using your Roblox username. The site does not ask for your Roblox password, email, or any private details, so it's 100% safe and won't steal any data from you. After logging in, you'll see different offer walls and survey partners. This is where you earn points by downloading apps, playing games, completing offers, going surveys. There are a lot of tasks to choose from, so you won't get bored. There are only 3 offer walls at the moment, but there will be more to come. You can also earn extra points from daily tasks, social follows, and giveaways. There's also a referral system in this site. You earn a percentage of points from users you invite, so if someone you invite earns points, you earn a small bonus too. If you want to support me, make sure to use my code Craze when signing up. It really helps me keep making videos like this. Now let me show you how to complete an offer properly. I'm clicking on Lootably, and I usually recommend app or game offers because they're easier. I'm currently on desktop, so there are fewer offers. If you're on mobile, you'll usually see many more. Once you download and open the app, just follow the instructions shown on screen. After completion, points are credited after verification, which can take some time depending on the offer. When you have enough points, go to the withdraw section. Withdrawals are done using Roblox-supported methods, like game passes. Keep in mind, there is a minimum withdrawal amount of 10 Robux. Roblox takes a 30% marketplace fee, which is normal. After withdrawing, Robux may show as pending before being finalized by Roblox. I'm showing this as an example of a successful withdrawal on my account. Just remember, results can vary depending on offers and availability. Also remember, never share your Roblox password with any website, and you never need to spend money to try this. So yeah, that's how our BLX space works. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll try to help.